I have a question for you. How many times did you look at your body thinking, I wish this would be different, or I would look more like this or that? Against how many times did you look at it thinking, wow, this is actually amazing, all the things that I can do thanks to this body. So I invite you to stay a tiny bit more with me. I invite you to stop whatever you're doing and to take a moment. If you want, you can sit down, or you can stay standing, laying down, whatever feels comfortable for you. And I invite you to close your eyes and to just let me guide you through this journey. So first, I invite you to take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, deep inhale through the nose and exhale through your mouth. One last time, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through your mouth. And I invite you for the following minutes either to just listen to what I'm saying, or even if you want to repeat it within yourself or out loud. If you are sitting down, I invite you to place your hands on your legs. I thank, honor, and love those legs exactly as they are. They allow me to stand up in the morning, to run, to jump, to walk. And they are perfect, exactly the way they are. I invite you to place your hands on your belly, center of your willpower, your inner power, your confidence. I thank, honor, and love this belly of mine. It allows me to live, to process the food and the water that I'm drinking and eating. It gives me strength to do things in my everyday life. And it is perfect, exactly the way it is. I invite you to place your hands on your back, to touch your back, and to come all the way up to your shoulders. I thank, honor, and love them exactly the way they are. They allow me to stand up straight, tall, and proud. They carry sometimes too much weight on it, and still, they are still there for me. They are perfect, just the way they are. I invite you to place your hands on your arms and to slowly make your way down so both of your hands are touching one another. You can even interlace your fingers as if you were holding a hand. I thank, honor, and love those arms and hands of mine. They are perfect, just the way they are. They allow me to hug a loved one, to touch, to feel, to hold a hand, to carry someone when they need to. And they are perfect, just the way they are. And finally, I invite you to place your hands on your head and to gently touch your eyes, your nose, your mouth, and your ears. They are perfect, just the way they are. And I thank, honor, and love them They allow me to see a loved one, to see the beauty of nature. They allow me to smell, to taste, to talk, to kiss. They allow me to hear a laugh, to share, to listen to music. They allow me so much, and they are perfect, just the way they are. I invite you to take a deep inhale through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. You can slowly open your eyes and just taking the time to acknowledge all those amazing things that your body can do. And if next time you catch yourself thinking again, I wish I would look different, or I wish it would be different, thinner, bigger, whatever, I invite you to take the time again to think about what this body is doing for you every single day. We are not just an image. We are so much more than this. So I invite you to reconnect to whatever is coming for you. And if you want some help to reconnect with this body, I invite you to join us on the mat to learn more about this, to take some time to take care about yourself and to honor, cherish, and love this body of yours. I see you soon again. Namaste.